Here we have a little Mercedes SUV. The owner just bought it off an auction. Evidently it was a salvage titled car, so we had no history on it. But you could see the tops of the lights. Who knows if these lights are original or not. They're burnt through in the upper corners. Sunburn. Nothing you can do. They just let it go too long. But believe me, we made it look 100 times better than what it looks like now. There you go. Look at that. Look how great that is. It's 95% of what it was. If you need a headlight restoration, South Florida, Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach, give us a call. We're 100% mobile. We come to your home or office. Text us your pictures today or call us 754-302-0769 and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching this video.